然。Hi, what's up, guys? Welcome to CA Show, a talk show about China and ASEAN. I'm Cindy. Now we are going to the Shuanglonggou Primeval Forest scenic spots. Follow me. Located in Rongshui Miao Autonomous County, Liuzhou City, Guangxi, Shuanglonggou is a national 4A-level scenic spot. It covers an area of nearly 4 square kilometers, of which 3 square kilometers are primeval forest with lush green vegetation. 2 small streams are meandering through the forest like 2 dragons. That's why it is called Shuanglonggou. There are many fun activities. For example, come here and experience the first suspension glass bridge in Guangxi. The bridge is 52.0 meters high. 520 means I love you in Chinese. It is 199.9 meters long, which means their love will last forever. The Sky City is one of the most exciting adventure projects in the scenic spot. It's only 100 meters from the ground. It's not. I'm scared. Tired of climbing? Don't worry. High altitude sliding cable is waiting for you. With a total length of 528 meters, it enjoys the reputation as the longest high-altitude sliding cable in Guangxi at present. From the mountain top to the bottom, it will take you to fly over the elegant and tranquil primeval forest, working in a natural oxygen bar and immersing yourself in gurgling streams and graceful waterfalls. Without further ado, come to Shuanglonggou and enjoy a long spa.